CRPN Central. This is Dr. Fox, and I'm here with Mr. David LaHaye. He's the owner and founder of McAllen Research. David, what are we doing here today?
So we're at a community health fair. This is what we do regularly for patient outreach and for health education. We specifically have anywhere from 2 to 4 of these events every single week, and we're just kind of getting our name out there and helping to educate the community on some of the risks of diabetes, liver health, hypertension, and a number of other of these chronic illnesses that plague our community.
So importantly, David, on a billable hour rate, does McAllen Research get paid for anything like this?
No, this is actually a cost center for us, but it's ultimately we get it back from a site business standpoint. We end up getting it back because it's essentially marketing. We get new patients enrolled in studies, and we also there's also the humanist element that we get more that we do more free services, and that's covered by those patients that are enrolled in our clinical research trials.
Yeah, and importantly, I think that you build the trust of your community to the point where when there's a trial that comes, they'll be trusting you and they'll be ready to work with you on the trial.
Yeah, if they see you regularly, like oftentimes what happens is somebody ignores their health for so long, then they go to their primary care physician. He does a metabolic panel or a liver panel, and then there's a few of those enzymes that are way out of proportion, and gives the patient like a scare. Then that person often comes to these community health events to learn more about their condition and what's happening to them and what options that they may have. And when they go to them regularly, they'll see us regularly, and familiarity builds this comfort, and it makes it much easier for us to help provide them with value and educate them, and potentially have them join us if they so choose to to screen for some of the studies that we're actively running.
Yep. So a true community site event here. This is a perfect example of exactly what sites need to do. You have to get out and it's not transactional. You get out into your community, you build their trust, you become a servant leader in your community, and your community will support you when you have trials. That is critical for being a successful clinical research site.
Yeah, I agree with that 100%, Daniel.
All right. Well, please like, comment, subscribe, CRPN Central. Thank you so much, David, for talking to me at this health fair. And reach out to your communities and see if there's any health fairs, especially if you're a clinical research site. All right. Bye, everyone.